Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today I am going to prepare very yummy recipe which is Gulab Jamun, and this recipe is very simple to make. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. First of all, I have taken 250 gram of khoya, 120 gram of paneer or you can say cottage cheese, 30 gram of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am going to mix it nicely and I am going to make like a dough. So now you can see it is ready now. Now I am going to make a small round ball. So you can see how I made it. Now I have taken 500 gram of sugar, and 1 liter of water, and I am going to make sugar syrup. Now I am going to add 1 pinch of saffron, 4 pieces of green cardamom, and I am going to whisk it well. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and I am going to whisk it again. Let it boil. So now sugar syrup is ready. Now I am going to make it cool down. Now I have taken 2 liter of oil and I am going to heat it. So I am going to heat it till 300 Fahrenheit. Now I am going to deep fry on medium heat. So I am going to fry till golden brown in color. So you can see it is perfect color. Now I am going to transfer Gulab Jamun into sugar syrup, and you can keep like 2 to 3 hours. So it is ready now. Now I am going to transfer it into serving bowl. And finally I am going to garnish it with sliced pistachio and silver leaf on top. Gulab Jamun is ready. It is very soft, juicy and perfect and very simple to make. If you like my recipe, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.